If you're a healthcare professional worried that AI will change the way you work, then now is the time to shape that future, not simply accept it. One silent risk of AI in healthcare education is the gradual erosion of clinical reasoning. If AI always provides the next best action, learners may stop developing the habit of asking why. Over time, they risk becoming followers of AI rather than independent clinicians. AI doesn't truly understand medicine. It recognizes patterns and generates recommendations based on what we've taught it. If we stop applying our own knowledge and judgment, AI will increasingly fill that gap with its own predictions. That's why we believe AI should be an assistant, not the decision maker. In VitalSim, the clinician still assesses the patient, interprets the clinical findings, chooses interventions, and experiences the consequences of those decisions. Only after the scenario does AI step in to provide personalized feedback, highlight strengths and missed opportunities, and help strengthen clinical judgment. The goal isn't to teach clinicians to follow AI. The goal is to teach AI to support better clinicians. The future of healthcare shouldn't be humans making fewer decisions. It should be humans making better ones.